Welcome back to the channel. We're back at the bull. Team training again. Let's get it. Doing a training course here. And gotta go through the cones. Big Shannon.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In the mix.
Yep, just trying to get mentally ready.
Yep.
Line myself up so I can try and at least hit the hairpin. Right side.
Gotta get through the cones here. Alright guys, cones outside. What's that on? 6? Let's see if he goes around it. Ah, there you go. That's how you do it, guys. Get up the back of it when you play straight. When you get in, you gotta hook it. Well done, Zach. Yes, sir. Well done. Up. Yep. Hey, they all fell. Hey, Vaughn, I got some flukes on. Red Bull got some flukes. Go get one. You know what to do already. Tell them on already.
Like and subscribe.
That's all right. Keep the content
And
flowing.
continue practicing.
That's right. Peace out to the next one, guys.